Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Leadmonk. Leadmonk is an appointment scheduling tool, and as you can see, they are claiming that it's an alternative of Calendly here. And they're saying Leadmonk is a mobile-first scheduling platform that offers flexible booking option, automated reminders, and promotional landing pages. And if you want to see what are the things that you can do with this tool shortly, then see you can create basically this type of landing page. You can add your own logo, you can add your own image, you can add your own branding, you can remove this branding guys, and then here you can create this type of landing page also by which people can book your appointment. These are the things. I hope you get the basic idea about this tool. Now if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Leadmonk, it's offering us up to license tier 3, and see the license tier 1 pricing is 69 USD, and the highest tier pricing is 249 USD. But if you want to remove the Leadmonk branding, then you have to get at least on this license tier 2, which is 139 USD. But you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing guys. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Leadmonk lifetime deal. And you can remove this Leadmonk branding, but if you want to know that whether you can add your custom CNAME, then the founder have said something about CNAME. See, let me here show you. See here, one person have asked here any plan to add CNAME support or custom domain support, and the answer is it's on the roadmap. Please upvote here. That means it's on the roadmap, yet it's not available. So when it will be available, then you will be able to add your custom CNAME also if they add to this plan. So these are the things guys. You can add here your own branding, but you cannot add here your own CNAME yet, but it's on their roadmap. These are the things. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Leadmonk and let's explore how things work there and how it can be helpful for you. This is the dashboard of Leadmonk guys, and it's very easy to use. See, I have created two meeting already, one for 30 minutes and one another for 15 minutes, and both are one-on-one. And if you want to create more booking page, then just click here create, and see they have four types of booking: one-on-one, group meeting, collective, and round robin. Now let's say I will create one group meeting. Just click here group, and the process is completely same guys. You can create any type of scheduling page, but the process is same. And see they have appointment type, and then visible on booking page. That means this is your booking page. If you want to make it visible on this booking page, then you have to enable it. And then appointment name, let's say appointment name is Passivern group, and then here you have to give some description. Let's say this is the description, you can change it. And then duration, let's say 1 hour. And then maximum number of invitees per slot, let's say 10 slot. You can increase or decrease it. Display remaining spots on a scheduling page, yes. And then they have location preference, Google Meet, MS Team, Zoom, in person, custom location you can add. So I'm selecting here Google Meet, and then invitee to book an appointment providing email, mobile number, and both mobile number and email. That means the people can book the appointment by using their email, also by using their mobile number. Let's say I'll here select email, and then here calendar. You have to connect the calendar. I have already connected the calendar associated with this email guys. I'll show you after some time how you can connect here more calendar, but see I have already connected one calendar here. That's why I can select it. If you connect multiple calendar, then you will see all your calendar here, and from here you have to select your calendar. And then URL, you can change this URL. And then they have appointment color, you can change the color also from here. Let's say I'll keep this one. So these are the things guys. I hope you get idea. Now I have to save it. Let me save it. And then they have additional setting. So if I go to this additional setting, they have invitee preference, and they have fixed the time zone to use the scheduling page. If I click here yes, then it will be fixed. And then invite a question, you can add here question. Let's say the first question will be what will you discuss. and then let's see it's required, and here they have different type text, radio button, checkbox, drop down. I'll select a text and then submit. That means people have to answer to this question. You can add as many question as you want, and then on booking confirmation, display lead mark confirmation page or redirect to external site. That means you can also redirect to external site, but let's say I will not redirect, I will keep them on Leadmonk confirmation page. And then they have notification preference. If I expand it, then see they have reminder, so you can get SMS and email notification. Just click a new reminder, and here you can get email reminder, and you can get text or SMS reminder also. I'll select here email reminder, and then here I'll select when 15 minutes before the event. So you can select these things, hours, days, you can change these things, and then just submit. That means when you have only 15 minutes for your meeting, you will get an email notification. You can add as many email notification or as many SMS notification you want to get, you can add here. And then here payment collection is available. Here you have to integrate your payment method, Stripe or PayPal, and then you can add your payment collection. I haven't integrated yet, that's why I'm seeing here view integration. So I'll show you guys after some time what are the integrations here available, and which platforms you can use to get payment. But in my case, in this landing page, I'm not adding any payment method. These are the things, guys. Now I will save these things. So it's done. Now see, there have view page, copy link, add to website. So if I click here add to website, then you will get this type of things, guys. See, there have two types of option, embed inline and floating pop-up. So you can also add floating pop-up, then it will be floated on your website. Also there have embed inline, that means you can embed this booking page on your website. So as they are not providing yet their custom CNAME or custom domain, but if you embed this scheduling page on your website, then this CNAME problem will be solved, I think. Because if you embed this scheduling page on your website, then your website URL will be shown to people, right? So these are the things what you have to do. They are saying that place this code in your website HTML page where you want your Leadmonk widget to appear. So you have to place this code, you have to just copy and paste this code on the back end of your website. I hope you get idea. Similarly, for same thing you have to do for this floating pop-up. So these are the things. I hope you can do these things. In this way, you can add this Leadmonk scheduling page on your website. That's really amazing, guys. And if I now click here, let me go to the invite page, see view page. If I go to the view page, see how the view page will be look like. See, this is the page, and this is very simple. Here people will see the description, here people will see the scheduling page name, and here people will see your branding, they will see your motto, they will see your social media pages, and then they will see your website here, and then they will see with which tool they can meet with you, and then they can just schedule. See, they can just schedule. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. Now if I select any time, here people have to insert their name. Let's say my name is Alex, and then I will add my email. Let's say this is my email, and then here we have asked one question, right? Please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting, and what will you discuss. This question we have added. If you add here multiple question, then all your questions will be added here, and people have to answer questions these questions. So let's say here, please share anything that will help prepare for our meeting. Please provide us some food. Okay, and then what will you discuss? I will not discuss anything, I will just subscribe. Let's say this is the some funny text. So these are the things, and then if I just click here book, then it will be booked, and then people will see this appointment confirmation page, and you can modify this page also. There have modification option. If I click here modify, then see these things will be modified. See, people can reschedule, people can modify these things, and then they can add these things on their calendar. So see, it will be downloaded and then people can add it to their calendar. I hope you get idea, guys. It's very easy to use. And see here, these are the 3 scheduling page that I have been created. And if I reload this page, it will show you 3 page now. Let me reload. See here, 3 page now, Passivern group that I have been created right now, and these are the 2 booking page that I have been created previously. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. It's very nice looking landing page, and it's very easy to set up, I think. I hope you get idea, guys, about this appointment page or about this home page. After that, they have scheduled. If I go to this schedule section here, you will see all the scheduled booking session that you have gotten. And see, I have gotten one schedule here, and if I click here, then I can see all the details and I can cancel it from here. So these are the things. After that, they have availability, and here you have to select basically when you are available and when you are not. So you can select the availability here. Basically, let's say I'm available from Monday to Friday, but I'm not available on Saturday and Sunday. You can also select different time. Let's say you are available on Thursday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Also from, let's say, 8 p.m. to, let's say, from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. you are also available. So in this way, you can add multiple time in one day. You can select here your time zone, and then here in issue by 3 appointment types. See, there I have 3 appointment types. Why? Because I have created 3 here. If you have multiple, or if you have more than 3, then you will see all your types here. I hope you get idea, guys. And then a specific date availability. So you can also add a specific date availability here. Let's say for 22 September, I'll select this timing. You can submit it. That means these are your normal scheduling, but this is scheduling for a specific time or for a specific date. You can also add it, and you can also set up your unavailable date. See, I have added here one day when I'm unavailable. That means these are my normal availability timing, but this 20 September of 2022 I will not be available. And then you can add here more unavailable time if you want. Let's say I'll add 29 September and then just submit. See, this 29 September will be added as my unavailable days. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And on these days, people cannot schedule any booking. I hope you get idea. After that, they have settings and they have profile. Here, basically, in the profile section, you have to add your name, your image, your welcome text, and here you can add your email ID and how you want to get your appointment notification. You can here add your phone number, and this is your booking page URL. After that, there have calendars, and here you have to connect your calendar. In this section, you can connect your calendar. Just click here, add Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar or our iCloud calendar will be come soon. And just by clicking here, you can add your calendar. See, I have already connected one of my calendar. I hope you get idea. After that, they have integration, and in the integration section, there have Stripe and People. Now, at present, you can connect your Stripe account, but PayPal will come soon. Also, they have video conferencing integration like this Microsoft Team, Zoom, and HubSpot. So you can integrate these things basically right now. After that, they have branding. Now, if I go to this branding here, they have theme selection. They have 2 type of theme: minimal theme and professional theme. And then there have company information. You can add your own logo, your company name, your company website here. And then they have the theme preference. That means you can add here banner image. See, if I go to the landing page, see here you are seeing one blue color, but here you can add your banner image if you want. See, just click here modify, and then you can add your banner image. Also, you can keep here solid color if you want, but I'm not keeping. And then they have color option. You can change your brand color from here. You can here give title welcome to Passivern. See, it will be shown here, welcome to Passivern. And then you can add here other info, grow online business, and it will be shown here, grow online business. And then here have social media, you can add here a lot of social media. See, if I click here add social media link, you can add here Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Google business profile, Twitter, phone number, email, and WhatsApp, as many as you want basically. And see, I have added here to my Facebook, and these things will be shown here. See, these are the social channels that I have been added. I hope you get idea, guys. These are the whole things here in the setting section or branding section. After that, they have notification. So here basically you can select what will be your appointment booked notification, appointment cancelled notification, appointment reschedule notification, and appointment reminder notification. So here have some default template, you can use this template. Also you can customize the template from here. See, they have custom template, you can here add different variable to customize your template basically. So these are the things. Now what does that mean? That means when someone will book any appointment, when someone will cancel any appointment, when someone will reschedule their appointment, what type of notification you will get. And this is to organizer, and these notifications are to attendee. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this notification section. After that, here they have admin management. Here you can add basically your admins and your users. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing, this number of users will vary depending on different license tiers. If you want unlimited users or team member, then you have to get this license tier cheap. Otherwise you can get this license tier 2 or 1. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, there have billing and subscription. Here basically you will see your billing and subscription. I hope you get idea, guys, about this Leadmonk software. It's very easy to use and very easy to set up scheduling tool, and it's really an alternative of Calendly. And in Calendly you cannot remove their branding, but in Leadmonk you can remove their branding. It's really amazing. So if you think, guys, you need one scheduling tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Leadmonk lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this Leadmonk lifetime deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. If you think, guys, you need this type of tool, and if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.